It's around 8 in the morning here. Oh, nice and cool. Look at that pretty sunlight. Look at guys, oh. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? 'Yon. Naglilinis kami sa sa yard. And look at these beautiful roses. Look. Itong klaseng rose, guys, pang ito, pang flower base. But hindi ko pwedeng i-dala sa loob kasi allergy kasi ako sa sa bango ng roses, siwan ko. So pretty. This one is so pretty. Look at this. And look at the bud, so pretty. I'll go to the other side. Look. Nandito ako sa other side. Look. Buds pa lang. Look, there's lots of buds. So pretty. And look, it's nice and clean.